तुम्हें स्कूल जाने में देर क्यों हो रही है? Why are you getting late for school? Why are you getting late for school? नींद से नहीं उठ पाया। I couldn't wake up. I couldn't wake up. ब्रश करने में टाइम लग गया। Brushing took time. Brushing took time. कपड़े अभी तक नहीं सूखे थे। My clothes weren't dry yet. My clothes weren't dry yet. मम्मी नाश्ता ही टाइम पर नहीं दे रही। Mom didn't give breakfast on time. Mom didn't give breakfast on time. बस्ता ढूंढ रहा था। I was searching for my bag. I was searching for my bag. टिफिन पूरा क्यों नहीं खाया? Why didn't you finish your tiffin? Why didn't you finish your tiffin? भूख नहीं लगी थी। I wasn't hungry. I wasn't hungry. सब्जी पसंद नहीं आई। I didn't like the curry. I didn't like the curry. दोपहर में बहुत गर्मी थी। It was too hot in afternoon. It was too hot in afternoon. दोस्त की बर्थडे ट्रीट खा ली थी। Had my friend's birthday treat. Had my friend's birthday treat. खेलते खेलते भूल गया। Forgot while playing. Forgot while playing. मोबाइल इतनी देर तक क्यों चला रहे थे? Why were you using the phone for so long? Why were you using the phone for so long? गेम का लेवल पूरा कर रहा था। I was completing a game level. I was completing a game level. टाइम का पता ही नहीं चला। Didn't realize the time. Didn't realize the time. स्कूल की वेबसाइट देख रहा था। Was checking school website. Was checking school website. मम्मी ने खुद तो दिया था। You gave it to me. You gave it to me. लास्ट बार चला रहा हूँ पक्का। Last time promise. Last time promise. टेबल साफ क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you clean the table? Why didn't you clean the table? भूल गया था। I forgot. I forgot. मुझसे नहीं बोला किसी ने। No one told me. No one told me. अभी खेलने चला गया था। Went out to play. Went out to play. आपको ही जल्दी थी सोने की। You were in a hurry to sleep. You were in a hurry to sleep. लगा आपने कर दिया होगा। Thought you did it. Thought you did it. तू इतना चुप चुप क्यों है आज? Why are you so quiet today? Why are you so quiet today? मूड ठीक नहीं है। Not in the mood. Not in the mood. सब नाराज है मुझसे। Everyone is upset with me. Everyone is upset with me. किसी ने कुछ कहा स्कूल में। Someone said something in school. Someone said something in school. बस ऐसे ही। Just like that. Just like that. होमवर्क में क्या पूछा था? What was asked in the homework? What was asked in the homework? मैथ्स के वर्कशीट थी। वर्कशीट इन मैथ्स। वर्कशीट इन मैथ्स। याद नहीं। I don't remember. I don't remember. टीचर ने बताया नहीं आज। Teacher didn't tell today. Teacher didn't tell today. सब कुछ मुश्किल लग रहा है। Everything looks tough. Everything looks tough. दोस्त की कॉपी से देख लूंगा। Will copy from friend's notebook. Will copy from friend's notebook. टीचर ने कुछ कहा क्या? Did the teacher say anything? Did the teacher say anything? कहा अच्छे से पढ़ो। She said study well. She said study well. नहीं, कुछ नहीं कहा। No, didn't say anything. No, didn't say anything. डांट पड़ी थोड़ी सी। Got a little scolding. Got a little scolding. कहा तुम बहुत बातें करते हो। Said I talk too much. Said I talk too much. कहा कल मम्मी को बुलाओ। Asked to call mom tomorrow. Asked to call mom tomorrow. तू इतना जोर जोर से क्यों हंस रहा था? Why were you laughing so loudly? Why were you laughing so loudly? जोक सुनाया किसी ने। Someone told a joke. Someone told a joke. नहीं हंसा, बस मुस्कुरा रहा था। Wasn't laughing, just smiling. Wasn't laughing, just smiling. वीडियो फनी था। The video was funny. The video was funny. दोस्त ने गिरा दिया खुद को। Friend made himself fall on purpose. Friend made himself fall on purpose. मैं हंसता हूँ इसलिए लोग हंसते हैं। I laugh so others laugh. I laugh so others laugh. तू इतना गुस्से में क्यों है? Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? आपने डांटा इसलिए। You scolded me. You scolded me. कोई नहीं मानता मेरी बात। No one listens to me. No one listens to me. गेम हार गया। I lost the game. I lost the game. दोस्त ने चीट किया था। My friend cheated. My friend cheated. खाना ही नहीं मिला टाइम पर। Didn't get food on time. Didn't get food on time. तेरा चेहरा सूजा सूजा क्यों लग रहा है? Why does your face look puffy? Why does your face look puffy? रोया था थोड़ा। Cried a little. Cried a little. सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ा। Had to wake up early. Had to wake up early. मच्छर ने काट दिया शायद। Maybe mosquito bite. Maybe mosquito bite. मैं तो हमेशा ऐसा ही दिखता हूँ। I always look like this. I always look like this. नींद पूरी नहीं हुई शायद। Didn't sleep properly. Didn't sleep properly. कपड़े कहाँ फेंके तूने? Where did you throw your clothes? Where did you throw your clothes? बिस्तर पर रख दिए। Kept them on bed. Kept them on bed. अभी पहने हुए हैं। Still wearing them. Still wearing them. बाथरूम में छोड़ दिए। Left them in bathroom. Left them in bathroom. Wardrobe के पास है कहीं। Somewhere near wardrobe. Somewhere near wardrobe. जब फेंके थे तब अच्छे थे। They were fine when I threw them. They were fine when I threw them. बाल क्यों नहीं बनाए? Why didn't you comb your hair? Why didn't you comb your hair? जल्दी में था। Was in a hurry. Was in a hurry. कंघी ही नहीं मिल रही थी। Couldn't find the comb. Couldn't find the comb. बाल गीले थे अभी। Hair was still wet. Hair was still wet. आज छुट्टी है। कौन बनाए? It's a holiday. Who makes hair? It's a holiday. Who makes hair? नए स्टाइल में हूँ आज। I'm in a new style today. I'm in a new style today. तेरे जूते कैसे गंदे हो गए? How did your shoes get dirty? How did your shoes get dirty? कीचड़ में चला गया था। Stepped in mud. Stepped in mud. स्कूल में गिर गया था। Fell in school. Fell in school. सबके ऐसे ही थे। Everyone's shoes were like that. Everyone's shoes were like that. स्लाइड पर चढ़ा था, climb the slide, climb the slide. बॉल लेने गया था झाड़ियों में, went to get the ball in the bushes, went to get the ball in the bushes. तुम खेलने कब जाओगे? When will you go to play? When will you go to play? अभी थोड़ी देर में, in a little while, in a little while. आज मन नहीं है, don't feel like today, don't feel like today. होमवर्क कर रहा हूँ पहले, doing homework first, doing homework first. दोस्त बुलाने आए तो जाऊंगा, will go when friends call, will go when friends call. जब मोबाइल छीन लोगे, when you take my phone away, when you take my phone away. खाने में क्या चाहिए आज? What do you want to eat today? What do you want to eat today? पनीर, पनीर, पनीर. कुछ नहीं, भूख नहीं है. Nothing, I'm not hungry. Nothing, I'm not hungry. मैगी चलेगी? Will Maggie do? Will Maggie do? जो भी मम्मी बनाए, whatever mom makes, whatever mom makes. जो तुम पसंद नहीं करती वही, whatever you don't like, whatever you don't like. इतनी ऊंची आवाज में क्यों बोल रहे थे? Why were you speaking so loudly? Why were you speaking so loudly? खेलते हुए जोश में आ गया था, got excited while playing, got excited while playing. कान बंद थे दोस्त के इसीलिए, friend had blocked ears, friend had blocked ears. मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया, I couldn't hear properly, I couldn't hear properly. गाना चला रहा था, was playing music, was playing music. ऐसे ही मेरा स्टाइल है, that's just my style, that's just my style. तुम इतने थके क्यों लग रहे हो? Why do you look so tired? Why do you look so tired? स्कूल में पीटी हुई थी, had PT in school, had PT in school. ज़्यादा चला आज, walked a lot, walked a lot. दोपहर में नींद नहीं आई, didn't nap in afternoon, didn't nap in afternoon. मोबाइल की बैटरी नहीं, मेरी बैटरी लो है, my battery is low, not the phone's, my battery is low, not the phone's. सोफे पर गिर ही जाऊंगा अब, will fall on the sofa now, will fall on the sofa now. इतनी किताबें क्यों फैलाई है? Why did you scatter all the books? Why did you scatter all the books? सब्जेक्ट ढूंढ रहा था, was finding a subject, was finding a subject. नहीं फैलाई, गिर गए, didn't scatter, they fell, didn't scatter, they fell. प्रोजेक्ट बना रहा हूँ, making a project, making a project. आप ही कहा था पढ़ो, you only told me to study, you only told me to study. पढ़ाई का माहौल बन रहा है, creating study vibes, creating study vibes. तुमने दादी को हेलो क्यों नहीं बोला? Why didn't you say hello to grandma? Why didn't you say hello to grandma? सुना ही नहीं मैंने, I didn't hear, I didn't hear. भूल गया, I forgot, I forgot. नाराज था उनसे, I was upset with her, I was upset with her. टीवी देख रहा था, was watching TV, was watching TV. अब जाके बोल आता हूँ. I'll go say it now. I'll go say it now. तुम इतने सीरियस क्यों लग रहे हो? Why do you look so serious? Why do you look so serious? सोच रहा हूँ कल क्या होगा. Thinking about tomorrow. Thinking about tomorrow. मजाक कर रहे हो ना आप? You are joking, right? You are joking, right? कॉमिक्स का सीरियस पार्ट चल रहा है. Reading a serious comic part. Reading a serious comic part. आज आप नाराज लग रही थी. You look angry today. You looked angry today. बस वैसे ही हीरो जैसा लगना है. Just like that, want to look like a hero. Just like that, want to look like a hero. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.